First off, I'd like to say welcome to the channel. Second, today's video, we're going to take a look at the 3/4 inch Milwaukee 2864-20 impact wrench. As you may have seen in previous videos, I mount my own tires on the motorhome, and I use a 1-inch pneumatic impact wrench to take them off and put them on. I also carry a spare tire, so I want to be able to get those lugs off when I'm traveling on the road in the event that I need to change a tire. So with that being said, let's take a look at this tool. So again, this is the Milwaukee 2864-20. It has ONEKEY Bluetooth, which I have installed on my phone. This will let you customize the 4 settings here on the front. And then the last one is the Bluetooth mode. So it won't let you set the torque settings, but it will let you set RPM, which translates to power output. So I guess there's some videos online where people have really taken a deep dive into these and actually used professional equipment to dial in those customizable 1 through 4 modes. By default, number 1 is basically used for automotive and truck lug nuts. By default, again, you can customize every setting. And they say once you get it dialed in, that the results are repeatable if you're doing multiple fasteners, or lug nuts in my case. One other note is when I unboxed this, I did play around with it with a 5.0 battery that I currently have on the charger. The torque output from this tool is night and day with the new 8.0 lithium forge battery. This is Milwaukee's top of the line battery, probably been around for a year or two. The power output from the battery definitely affects how the tool performs. So with that being said, let's walk out to my motorhome and test it out. Okay, let's see what this thing does. This is the 3/4 inch Milwaukee. It has the ONEKEY Bluetooth technology. Let's see what it does on these lug nuts. I'm just marking this with a paint pen at the 12 o'clock position to when I put them back on, just to kind of verify that it does tighten them well. And I got a torque wrench here as well. Okay, put it in 2, 3, position number 4. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, easy enough. We'll go ahead and tighten this one back up. There's my paint mark. Let's do another. Okay. And I think that is my paint mark there. One more. Okay. Okay. Well, that is easy enough. Now, I will say I just ordered the REDLITHIUM Forge 8.0 battery. I have my regular 5.0 battery on charge. I tried it with it the other day and it struggled. So if you're going to buy one of these 3/4 inch impact wrenches, I would definitely advise the Forge battery. Okay, so I'm going to turn you off here for just a second and hook up my torque wrench. Okay, so I got my torque wrench all set up. It's set to 475 foot-pounds. Hope you can see that. Let's see. This is a 40-inch, 1-inch breaker bar. Let me get this so I can actually see the torque wrench. Anyway, 40-inch, 1-inch breaker bar with a 1-inch to 3/4 inch adapter. And then I have the QUINN 3/4 inch digital torque wrench, which goes up to 750 foot-pounds. Not even close. Let's try another angle. Okay, and the lug nut did not move. I actually had to stand on the breaker bar, and I got it to around 525 foot-pounds on the meter. And we'll go back over to this again. Okay, and it removes it with no issue. So I guess I can recommend it. I'll put a link in the description to both the battery and the 3/4 inch Milwaukee impact. A lot of people think you can do this with a 1/2 inch. I have the 1/2 inch. It just doesn't work. So let me tighten this bolt back up. And I'll catch you on the next video. Please consider subscribing if you haven't. In conclusion, this has my recommendation. If you have a semi-truck or a diesel pusher motorhome that has near 500 foot-pound torque requirements for the lug nuts, get you one of these. It'll get the job done.